Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm joining Sonia from Domestic Diva 76 on the DIY challenge. And I'm so excited about this challenge because I have the perfect project to go with it. Now, let me show you the supplies. These are our supplies to make the window. These are our supplies to paint our window. First, we're going to take our garden dividing stake and we're going to remove the stake part, and also we're going to remove all of those ornaments that you see on top. Try just to cut them as close as you can because we're going to use them a little bit later. After you cut all of them, you're going to cut the same parts of the other garden dividing stake. And you continue cutting, and now you're going to hot glue them together just by adding a little bit of hot glue in the center and just gluing them together. We're going to take our steering sticks and we're going to measure them on the center like so, and then we're going to score them with our knife. After that, we're going to cut them, and we're going to cut 6 of those. Now we're going to add 2 in the center, like so, by hot gluing them to our garden stake, metal window kind of thing. Hot glue them together like that, and repeat the same to the sides. We're going to do exactly the same thing to both sides, like so. Once you finish, we're going to measure using another steering stick the length of our window. And we're going to cut 2 of those to close our window. Now, we hot glue them together, like that. And repeat on the other side, just like that. After we hot glue them, we are going to start adding the pieces that I told you to cut a little bit closer as you can to the piece, just like that. And we're going to hot glue them to the center of our metal window, so it gives it a little bit extra to that window. And now we're going to start painting our frame using our antique wax. We're going to complete and paint everything. We're going to complete that frame, and after we finish, we're going to cover every corner from the frame. Just paint everything. And after that, we're going to start dry brushing our metal. And for that, I'm using the mineral paint from Waverly, and I'm dry brushing everything. After that, I'm going to use the gunmetal paint, and I'm going to give it a good dry brush of gunmetal. Continue dry brushing all around it until you finish. Now I'm using the gunmetal to dry brush and give it a little bit extra detail to our metal so it looks like a little bit old. You can use the silver if you want it to look a little bit newer. Now I'm taking the celery paint and I'm painting our wreath like that. Then we're going to take our green paint, leaf green, and we're going to give it a good dry brushing. Just like that. All around it. Now we're going to attach our wreath to our window. And for that, what we're going to do is we're going to take our ribbon, add a little bit of hot glue like so, and glue it And then we're going to glue it to the back of the wreath and to the back of our window. Just like that. Hot glue it, and that's it. Let me show you. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have our beautiful wreath, the ribbon over there, our beautiful metal window. Let me give you a closer look so you can see it. That's the detailing that the metal has. It's so beautiful. The camera isn't making it any justice. It's beautiful. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to our challenge host. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Sonja for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching this type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.